Hello everyone and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your YouTube channel name. Before you do that, you need to know two things. The first one is that you can change your name three times in 90 days only, and the second thing is if your channel is verified, that's the check mark besides your name on YouTube, you'll lose that. So to change your name on YouTube, you go to YouTube, click on your channel here and select your channel from here. As you see here, I'm gonna click on the pencil icon here, and again I'm gonna click on the pencil. So here I'm gonna tap what I want, the new name, music, for example, music worldwide, and I'm gonna click on OK. Alright, as you see here, my name on my channel name has been changed. I'm gonna refresh, music worldwide. So as for computer users, it's the same thing. You're gonna head to youtube.com and do the same steps as I did in this video. That's it for today, guys. We're gonna meet another YouTube video. Ciao.